Hello everyone, Namaste. How are you all doing? So today we'll be talking about acupressure points which will help you to overcome if you're having sleep apnea issues to solve that, okay, to cure that. So let us discuss acupressure points and know what is exactly sleep apnea. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you haven't joined our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then please do join. As every updates of our videos, of our new videos or our old videos are shared to you in that groups. So please join it. And about different workshops also we conduct, every information is given there. Okay, so do join that group. The link is in the description box. Sleep apnea. What exactly is sleep apnea? Let us know about it. Sleep apnea is a potentially serious sleep disorder in which our breathing just suddenly stops and starts again. Okay, so like we are continuously breathing, right, while sleeping also or in general day. We breathe and we release, we breathe and we release. This is the normal system, our breathing system, right? But in sleep apnea, what will happen is suddenly you are just breathing normally, suddenly you will just stop breathing, and after some time the breathing will start automatically. Might be a few seconds span, like 2-3 seconds or 4-5 seconds span, but that can be serious, right? Because it may cause some serious life disorder. Okay, it can be a life threatening problem. Okay, so it is like oxygen deficiency in our body. Okay, if you snore loudly and like even after sleeping, having a full night sleep, if you feel tired, then you may have like sleep apnea. It may be a symptom of sleep apnea. Okay, so let us discuss acupressure points for that. It is a life-threatening disorder, so please do consult a doctor as soon as possible, and do these points together. Okay, because I have heard recently, like many people have lost their life because of these issues.
Today we'll be discussing 6 acupressure points which will help you if you are having sleep apnea issues. So let us discuss. The first 3 points. The first three are the Buddha triangle. Let us discuss the location of the Buddha triangle. See, on the index finger, second joint of the index finger, just on the border itself, on both the sides, towards thumb and towards small finger side, this point, just wait a minute, yeah, this point towards thumb side, it is LU9 point, lungs 9. Then this side over here, this one is the point of heart 7. And in the middle is the point of pericardium 6. This point is actually located over here, 3 points, okay? It is called as the Buddha triangle. Pericardium 6, LU9 and heart 7. These 3 points, then we have more 3 points. Let us discuss about them. So we have one more point which is on our middle finger. Let's see the location of that point. So you can see this middle finger just exactly, we can say, see if we divide our finger from the middle and from the sides. Okay, see the middle one is the spleen meridian, the last one is the kidney meridian. Okay, spleen and kidney meridian towards small finger. Exactly, not exactly on the, what we can say, in the center, but towards the side of the both, in the, okay, between our spleen meridian and kidney meridian. Over here is this point. This point is called as K6. Okay, this is the location of the point. This is point called as K6. Okay, see, on the middle finger, let me explain it again to you all. On the middle finger line, not in the on the first joint of the middle finger, not exactly in the center, not towards small finger side, but in between of both, that is this point. This is the fourth point. Fifth point, let us discuss about that. Fifth point is GV20, governing vessel 20, top of the head point, which is over here. Exactly on the center, on the tip of our thumb in the center is this point. GV20, governing vessel 20. Then the last point is on the back side of our hand on the index finger. Just above the joint, first joint of the index finger, towards thumb side is this point. This point is called as LI4, large intestine 4 point. So these are the 6 points. First three are the Buddha triangle points, which are P6, H7 and LU9. Okay, lungs 9, heart 7 and pericardium 6. Buddha triangle points. The second, fourth one, not second one, the fourth point is K6 point. Then the fifth one is governing vessel 20. The sixth one is LI4, large intestine 4. So on this all 6 points, what we will do, we'll with the help of a Jimmy, we'll press all these 6 points for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly on both the hands. You need to do this treatment. Okay, we'll press all the points properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we'll take one bowel magnet in such a way that the white side of the bowel magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you will see the yellow part of the bowel magnet. You need to sedate the energy of all the points. Okay, so you will apply white side touching skin of bowel magnet on all these points. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us on that and buy magnets for yourself. We are having different types of kits. You can order it from them, or you can just ask whatever you want. Okay, like whichever magnets you want, we can also provide you that. So we will sedate all these points. We need to apply these magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever we'll remove it, we need to throw the paper tips away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Sleep apnea. Okay, if this problem does not occur in a day or some, it takes a time to build in your body. Similarly, it will take time to reduce or to stop this problem also. Okay, so please be patient and just go check with your doctor like exactly what issue I am having. If you're having this sleep apnea issue, if you have got to know, then please take proper care of yourself, as you all matter to me very much. So please take care of yourself and please do remember. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone. If you found our video good, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.